Oh, hey, you guys. I couldn't get a reservation for the night of my birthday, so we'll have to do dinner Thursday night instead.
Thursday? That's Halloween.
So?
It's just spooky, that's all.
No, it's my first birthday with a boyfriend and he has to work. Ugh, I get mad at him, but I think it's a little too soon to show my true colors.
Well, please, I would make the reservation for 5 because one of us has to stay home and watch Emma. Which one of us should go to dinner?
Oh, Rachel!
Actually, I was thinking maybe both of us could go.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. I'll put a lot of extra.
All right, so great, we can all go now. That is fun. Hey, you know what? We all haven't been together, the 6 of us, in such a long time.
What are you talking about? We're all together right now.
Mom, Chandler's not here.
Oh, you're not.